Hi, today I wanted to go over some key terms. When you're a first time home buyer, things are kind of stressful and exciting, but could be confusing when people are using terms that maybe you're not familiar with. The pre-approval letter is a very important step in the home buying process. It's pretty much should be the first step. You want to have your information ready for the loan officer so that they can determine just how much house you can buy and give you an idea of what your payments will be and what is required. A lot of times the pre-approval letter is a requirement to even get an appointment to tour a home. Credit scores run between 300 and 850. At this time, banks are asking generally for a 680 or above. And a credit score is important because it ensures the bank, it gives them an idea of how likely you are that you will repay the loan. You'll see from the graphic that there's a number of closing costs. Some are prepaids, which are 1 year of homeowners insurance and usually 12 to 13 months of property taxes. Most of the closing costs are paid at closing. However, sometimes the application fee and the credit check are paid right at the beginning of the escrow process. Sometimes people get confused about what the difference is between an appraisal and an inspection. So an inspection is when you hire a professional to go through the home to ensure that there isn't any serious damage like structural damage or wiring, or it might need a new roof or there's mold. So you can hire a professional that specializes in different areas as well. An appraisal is when you're getting a mortgage, the bank will send someone to go through the property to ensure the bank that the home is really worth what you're paying. So it gives the homeowner confidence that they're not paying too much for the home, and the bank as well. So down payment is what you're putting down towards the purchase of the home. Veterans are not required to put anything down. They can buy a home with 0% down. And there's some other loans that people can do for that as well. But typically, most loans want 3 to 20% down. Interest rates are still at an all-time low. In January 2021, we are still at about 3%, depending on your credit score and other factors. It's a great time to purchase a home. Many times people could afford to buy a home for less money per month than to rent an apartment. Another term is PCD that gets thrown around a lot, and that's a property condition disclosure. That's what's required in most cases, that a homeowner answer 48 questions to the best of their knowledge about the property condition. They're answering questions about the structure, about the roof, about what they know about any environmental issues and things like that, to give you some history of the home as far as since the last homeowner has had the home. I hope this has been helpful. I consider myself having the heart of a teacher, so I welcome your questions. If I don't have the answer, I'll get it for you. Let's connect and get you moving.